Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be planning in my meal planner, which is a newer layout from the Happy Planner. It is for the week of February 28th through March 6th. And here we go. So I'm going to go ahead and use florals. I'm not sure from which book just yet. But as I'm saying this, I wanted to say thank you if you are joining me for the first time. Welcome, and if you are coming back, thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me. I truly appreciate you. So I have picked a book, so it is Layered Florals or Detailed Florals, and I'm going to go ahead and start using it. I had this book for quite a while and it doesn't get as much love as it deserves, so I'm gonna go ahead and just see what I can do with it and go from there. It is such a lovely book. This layout is quite tricky because I still need room to write, even though those boxes are super small for writing, so putting decorations in them would eliminate a meal, and I don't necessarily want to eliminate a meal. So what if I'm eating it? I want to track it, right? That's what this planner is for. So I have been doing a little bit of a fun way of placing them and cutting stickers into small chunks to incorporate into this planner. So if you are interested, stick around. So I'm going to go ahead and first decorate the bottom with some flowers. I'm going to add the other ones or another bunch to the other side. Same thing with the box. Looks like I had something stuck to my desk, so let's just get that away. So I am using right now, it's called the Uni-Ball Signa white gel pen, and for me it works wonderfully on those black lines. It removes so much of the line and it makes it way less visible, which is fantastic. So I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 more little purple flowers like so. And then on the bottom I track my medicine, my mood, my sleep, and my movement. So I'm gonna actually do this in those circles. As you can see, it's gonna be interesting to see how that looks. So I'm just playing with color and adding all sorts of colors to this spread. I think that's going to be lovely. So far I have a peach, pink, purple, green, and teal. Oh, this looks so fun. I have not done this before, so these circles really look fun to me. Now I'm going to be cutting flowers into little strips and adding them all over the spread until I feel it's cohesive. But even more so balanced, because a balanced spread really speaks to me. So don't be afraid to take bigger flowers and cut it up. As you can see, snack wise, I'm covering a lot of that up because I usually have a very small snack during the day. I don't snack a lot, so for me it's pointless. So I'm gonna go ahead and add these little flowers to the spread all over the place, like so. It is truly beautiful and I love having flowers in my planners. They make me happy. Plants and florals are truly my jam when it comes to planning. If you have followed me for a while, you already know that. So it's a lot of fun. This week I am focusing on my wellness even more so than usual. So I've mentioned in my previous video, in my catch-all, that I am having tonsils removed this week. And as adults, that's not supposed to be very fun or gracious procedures. So we shall see what happens but I am hoping for the best and preparing for the worst. So there we go. I'm gonna go ahead and add another flower to sidebar, but I'm gonna lift this in just a second, and I think I need to hide that wording because it does bug me. So I'm just playing with the balancing act of the spread. I'm gonna go ahead and hide these ingredients to prep because that's not what it's going to be. And this one will say priorities, which it is my supplements, mood, and so on is my priority. And this one will say note to self because truly all of the stuff that I'm tracking is just for me, not for anyone else. So I'm gonna lift this up and I'm gonna go ahead and use a Tombow correction tape and put that flower down so nothing is showing. Let me see if I can add a few more little flowers or something like that to this spread to finish it up. And I think I'm gonna call it a day because this is looking really pretty. Like I said, oh, maybe I can add these little hexagons and make it fun and add all sorts of colors and like bring in light into this beautiful spread. So let's go ahead and do that. I pulled quite a few of them and I'm gonna spread them throughout and kind of bring a pop of color. So they're purely decorative, and I don't know if I would ever use them if I wasn't using them for this. So it's kind of perfect that I get to use up these. Okay, that's fun. That brought actually a lot of action into the planner. I'm surprised. Okay, such a little thing, such a big difference. I'm gonna add one more, maybe right there. I feel like I'm missing. Maybe let's do yellow. Let's see if yellow will bring. Yeah, that might work. It's kind of an off color because it's not in the spread, but I think it looks great. I'm gonna add that first sticker book right to the sidebar, and let's see if I can add just a few more little flowers to make this balancing act even better. So let's see. I'm gonna add one right there. So it's going to minimize the area for breakfast on Sunday and Saturday, which I probably won't be able to eat solid foods for a while, so I'm good with that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add one right there. And I think that's it. I'm gonna leave this be, and if I need more stickers, I'll add them as I'm writing in. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for spending time with me, and I'll see you very soon for another plan with me. Thanks for joining. Bye.